Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. We will be making fried rice with steamed spicy chicken. First, you're going to add some oil into a pot with some ginger and garlic. Then add some boneless chicken. Add some salt and cook for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then add some cabbage, peas, carrots, and some green bell peppers. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Mix 2 eggs, orange food color, then add them into a pan. Now we are going to make this into a scrambled egg. It should start to look like this. Now boil, cook any kind of rice and any amount you want in a pot. After your rice is done cooking, drain the water. Add the scrambled egg and chicken with vegetables into a pot with some rice at the bottom. Then add the rest of the rice on top with some chopped green onions. And now mix. Add some red chili sauce. Add some soy sauce. Now mix. Now take some marinated chicken. Now steam, cook it for about 10 minutes. Now enjoy your chicken fried rice with your chicken. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you watch my other videos and subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment down below, and make sure to share this video.